Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to do exercise number 3.4 from the chapter Playing with Numbers, and the textbook name is Macmillan Education for grade 6 children. So let's get started. First question is that write an expression for each of the following statements, then evaluate each expression. Here we have some statements. To these statements we have to write the expressions and we have to solve them. Let us go with bit number A. 8 more than the product of 14 and 7. See, 8 is more than. 8 is more than to what? To the product of 14 and 7. First we have to take the product of 14 and 7. Take the product 14 into 7. To this 8 is more. More means addition symbol. Plus 8. Okay. Now we have the expression 14 into 7 plus 8. Okay. In the BODMAS, which operation comes first? Multiplication. So, first we have to multiply 14 and 7. 14 7s are how much? 98 plus 8. 98 plus 8 is how much? 106. So, the answer is 106. Okay. Let us go to B bit. 4 less than the quotient of 36 by 6. 4 is less than. 4 less than to the what? To the quotient of 36 by 6. Right here. First you take this 36 divided by 6. To this 4 is less. Less means minus 4. Okay. In the BODMAS, which operation will come first? Division. 36 divided by 6 is 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So the answer is 2. Okay. Let us go to C bit. The quotient of 48 by 8 decreased by 6. The quotient of 48 by 8, that is decreased by how much? 6. First you take this. 48 divided by 8. This is decreased by how much? 6. Decreased means minus, right? So minus 6. 48 divided by 8 is 6. Why? Because in BODMAS division comes first. So we have to divide 48 by 8 first. 48 divided by 8 is 6 minus this 6. 6 minus 6 is how much? 0. So the answer is 0. Let us go to D bit. The sum of 10 and 5 increased by the quotient of 45 by 5. The sum of 10 and 5 means we have to add 10 and 5. Means 10 plus 5. That is increased. Increased means addition. By how much? The quotient of 45 by 5. 45 divided by 5. Now we have the expression 10 plus 5 plus 45 divided by 5. Okay. In BODMAS, which operation comes first? Division. So, first we have to do this. 10 plus 5 plus 45 divided by 5 is how much? 9. Okay. Now you add 10, 5 and 9. So, the answer is 24. Okay, in this way we can write the expressions for the given statements and we have to solve. Okay, now let us go to question number 2. Simplify. Here we have expressions, we have to simplify them. First expression is 120 divided by 9 into 2 plus 6, which is in parenthesis. In BODMAS, what comes first? Brackets. So first we have to solve this. Here again we have multiplication and addition. Which one we have to do first? In BODMAS, multiplication is there first. So we have to multiply 9 and 2. So let us multiply. 120 divided by 9 into 2 is how much? 18 plus 6, which is in parenthesis. Okay. Now 120 divided by 18 plus 6 is 24. Okay. Now 120 divided by 24 is how much? Its answer is 5. Okay. Let us go to another expression. 30 plus 144 divided by 12 into 5 plus 2, which is in parenthesis. Okay. In BODMAS, what comes first? Brackets. So first we have to solve this. Again we have here multiplication is there. Here addition is there. Which one we have to do first? Multiplication. Why? Because in BODMAS multiplication is there first. So let us multiply 12 and 5. 30 plus 144 divided by 12 5s are how much? 60 plus 12. Okay, 30 plus 144 divided by 60 plus 12 is how much? 72. Now we have an expression 30 plus 144 divided by 72. Now what we have to do first? In the bottommost division is there first. So we have to do this. 30 plus 144 divided by 72 is 2. Now 30 plus 2 is how much? 32. So the answer is 32. Let us go to question number 3. Simplify. Here also we have expressions, we have to solve them. First expression is 30 into 4 minus 20 plus 75 divided by 25. Okay, in bottommost what comes first? Division comes first. So first we have to solve this. So 30 into 4 minus 20 plus 75 divided by 25 is 3. Right? Now we have expression 30 into 4 minus 20 plus 3. Okay, in bottommost what comes first? Multiplication comes first. So we have to multiply 30 and 4. 34s are 120 minus 20 plus 3. Okay, now we have 120 minus 20 plus 3. In bottommost what comes first? Addition comes first. So first we have to do the addition. But children, here one thing we have to remember that we have positive numbers and negative numbers, right? Here 3 is the positive number and 20 is the negative number. So first we have to add 120 plus 3. From this we have to subtract 20. Okay, 120 plus 3 is 123 minus 20. So the answer is 103. Okay, let us go to bit number 3. Here also we have an expression. In bottommost what comes first? Brackets come first, right? So we have to solve this. In this again we have parenthesis. So first we have to solve this. Let us solve. 72 divided by 36 divided by 3 fours are how much? 12. Okay, now we have to solve this. 72 divided by 36 divided by 12 is 3. Okay, now we have 72 divided by 3. So the answer is 24. Okay, let us go to last bit. Here we have 200 into 22 minus 16 divided by 4, which is in parenthesis, and this whole expression is in square brackets. Okay, now we have to solve this. Why? Because in bottommost brackets comes first. 200 into, again in this we have parenthesis. So first we have to solve this. 16 divided by 4 is how much? 4. Okay, 22 minus 16 divided by 4 is 4. Okay, 200 into 22 minus 4 is 18. 200 into 18 is how much? 3600. So the answer is 3600. Okay. Now let us go to question number 4. Evaluate. Here we have an expression. We have to evaluate this. Okay. We have 25 minus 15, which is in parenthesis, and we have here square brackets are there. Within square brackets, flower brackets are there. Okay. Let us solve. 25 minus 15 is how much? 10 into square brackets. Here flower brackets are there, no, within square brackets. So first we have to solve this. Okay. Here we have addition and subtraction. So which one we have to do first? In bottommost addition comes first, right? But children, here we have to remember that 3 is the positive number, 1 is the negative number. So we have to add 7 and 3. From that we have to subtract 1. Okay, let us do. 8 plus 12 plus 7 plus 3 minus 1. Okay, 10 into 8 plus 12 plus 7 plus 3 is 10 minus 1 is 9, right? Okay, now 10 into 8 plus 12 is 20 plus 9 is 29. Okay, 10 into 29 is 290. So the answer is 290. Okay, let us go to bit number B. Here we have an expression 40 into square brackets 8 minus 24 divided by parenthesis 98 minus 94, parenthesis closed, and then square brackets are closed. Here this is the expression. Let us solve the expression. What comes first in BODMAS? Brackets comes first, square brackets. In that we have parentheses. So first we have to solve this. 40 into 8 minus 24 divided by 98 minus 94 is how much? 4. Okay. Now we have an expression 40 into 8 minus 24 divided by 4, which is in square bracket. So in BODMAS, brackets comes first, right? So first we have to solve this. 40 into, here we have subtraction and division. Which one we have to do first? In BODMAS, division comes first, right? So we have to divide 24 with 4. How much? 24 divided by 4 is 6, right? 40 into 8 minus 6 is how much? 2. Now 42s are how much? 80. So the answer is 80. Okay. Now question number 5. Find the value of. See, here we have an expression. Here 3 minus, we have square brackets. Within that we have flower brackets, and within that we have parentheses. So first we have to solve the expression which is in parentheses, right? So we have to solve this. Let us solve. 3 minus square bracket, 3 minus flower bracket, 3 minus, we have to solve this. Here we have addition and subtraction. Which one we have to do? Addition. 3 plus 3 is 6, minus 3 is how much? 3. Okay. Close the flower brackets and square brackets. 3 minus solve this. We have to solve next flower brackets, right? 3 minus 3 is how much? 0. Okay. Now square brackets. 3 minus 0 is 3. So 3 minus 3 we have. 3 minus 3 is how much? 0. So the answer is 0. In this way we can solve the expressions. Okay. I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.